Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video today. So if you saw my last video about coming back onto YouTube, I did forget to mention that I have moved recently. I am in temporary accommodation, I'm basically staying at my mother-in-law's house. We're trying to save for a mortgage basically, so this is like a cost-effective way for us to try and save up a bit more. So apologies for the background, you'll probably see Tanner coming in and out. So I do apologise that it's a bit messy and not my usual nice background that I used to have. So if you can get past that, then that would be great, thank you. So in today's video I am going to be talking about Project Lip. So the lovely Rebecca over at the Project Lip team reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try something, and I said yeah, absolutely, of course. As you guys know, I have had lip fillers done. The last time I had them done was probably about a year and a half ago now, so it was quite some time ago, and actually I don't think they look too bad considering it's been so long since I've had them topped up. I still think they're quite full. I mean, compared to how my lips looked before having fillers, I mean, I had no lips basically, so I'm actually quite happy with how they look, considering it's been a while since having filler. It has been something I've thought about doing again, just a little top up, but obviously with a 3-month-old baby that's not exactly on my priority list right now. So I'm actually really excited to be trying this Project Lip to see sort of how it works on your lips, because I have read from them that actually if you use it 3 times a day over a 28-day period, it has sort of long-lasting effects and long-lasting benefits as well. I do believe that the product has moisturising benefits in it, so that is vitamin E, which I really do need, because in the winter months my lips get so chapped. Always my bottom lip, never my top lip, it's always my bottom lip, and today they are actually quite chapped, and I can moisturise my lips until the cows come home and they still will chap. So I'm really excited to try this because it comes with a scrub, a lip scrub, a lip mask, and then the Plumping balm. So yes, so this is what we're going to try today. One main benefit about this product, which I love, is the fact that it's vegan friendly and it's cruelty free, and anybody can use this. So I'm really loving these products that are vegan friendly and cruelty free, because if you know me, you know that animals are very close to my heart. So here we have the packaging. I love it. I love the bright bold colours. So 10 out of 10 for the packaging there. Open it up inside and the packaging comes like this. I love this. I love this little idea. It is a 3-step kit. As I've mentioned, you get the scrub, the mask and the balm. I do believe that this kit itself is $24.95 on the website. Also, what I did see, which I think I'm actually going to purchase, is the Plump and Colour. This is a plumping and collagen boosting formula. So it's basically, I guess, like a lipstick. There's 4 shades from what I can see on this promo leaflet itself. So I am probably going to buy one of these and try it, because if this works as well as it does, at least I can get something with a bit of colour on it as well. So I'll just show you that quickly. I will link all of the details down below so you can see it all there. A link to the kit itself, and also a link to the Plump and Colours as well, and obviously a link to the website in general. So I'm going to open up the kit now, and the contents inside that we have, it smells fruity. It smells really nice actually. So what we have here is, we have the Project Lip Mask Prep for the Pout. It's hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused mask. And on the back it says how to use me. Gently remove the film from both sides of the gel mask and apply to dry and chapped lips. Perfect example right now. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes while I do my thing, and remove and pat lips to absorb excess serum. So we have that inside the pack. The Project Lip Scrub, made in the UK, born in Manchester, amazing, again vegan friendly and cruelty free. So how to prep, how to use me: scrub in circular motions around your lips, lick me to taste me, rinse with warm water to reveal super soft plump lips. Again, the packaging is so cute. I actually really love the packaging. And then this is the matte plumping primer. Warning, this product will tingle. How to apply: apply generously on the lip and over the lip line. Press your lips together to activate. Reapply to maximise the plump as desired. So I guess you just pop that on and off you go. So we also have this with the package. Scrub the pout. So step 1 is smooth those lips with our whipped vibrant orange lip scrub. The edible sugar based fruity formula is enriched with sweet orange oil extract to exfoliate and invigorate lips, giving a super soft pout. Step 2, prep the pout. It's hip to hydrate with our collagen infused hydrogel lip mask, nourishing, conditioning and restoring vital natural vitamins, giving your lips smooth, plumper and useful pout. Plump and pout. Step 3, so prime, plump and hydrate in one with our unique matte plumping primer, working with the lip's own collagen to enhance and give a plumper, more defined lip. Okay, so let's crack on with trying this out. Okay, so here we go with the scrub. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's lovely, and I'm so glad that I'm going to be able to eat it. Not literally going to be scooping it out and eating it, but I can lick it off my lips, obviously. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to take my middle finger, and that's how it comes out. And apply over my lips. Okay, so it's all over my lips. You don't need to use a huge amount. A little does go a long way, so that's also great, because there's, although it looks like it's a small pot, actually a little does go a long way, so there is quite a lot of product in there, so that's good. It tastes lovely. It's not overpowering. It's just a nice little hint. It's obviously like a gritty formula, which is obviously going to help exfoliate your lips. I do like that. I feel like it's really going to help my chapped lips. So just give it a little longer. Already I feel like my little chapped bits are sort of smoothing over already. So I have got a bowl of warm water and just a little flannel that I'm going to wash this off with. My lips feel so nice. It actually feels so smooth and soft already. I'm really impressed with that. They feel amazing. So now we are going to apply the lip mask. So here it is. Again, gorgeous packaging. If you know me, you know that I love packaging. I like to keep all of my makeup in the boxes that they come in. I don't know, I just love packaging for some reason. So open it up, and here is the lip mask. Love it. Gorgeous lip shape. So opening it up like that. So I do like that because it's enclosed nicely. I've had eye masks that have come like this before, and they've slipped in the packaging and they've all crumpled up, so I like that it's actually quite secure in there. Another good product design. So I'm just going to take the mask up here and apply over my lips. Okay, so the 15 minutes are up with the lip mask already. Again, my lips feel so soft and so smooth. I've got a little mirror down here, and they actually look plumper already. They look really healthy. They don't look chapped like they did before. The only thing about the mask I would say is that if you're laying on your back and laying down doing nothing, then it's fine. But I was trying to sort the baby out and whatnot, so it does kind of peel a little bit, and I had to keep sort of sticking it down. But that's not taking away anything from the effect that it has on my lips. Like, they feel so soft. Like, I'm not even joking. They feel amazing, and I feel like honestly they are plumper. Like, I really can say that they do feel plumper. So here we have the Project Lip Balm here. So this is how the balm looks. I'm not going to use it with it all pushed out like that, so I'm just going to open it just a little bit, or push it up a little bit, and then apply it to my lips. So that again feels so moisturising. It's starting to tingle ever so slightly. All of the products, I can say, have such a nice taste to it. So I'm actually really quite happy putting this stuff on my lips. Okay, the tingling's getting quite a lot stronger now. But again, if you've used products like this before, then you'll be used to this. I've got a little bit on my tongue, so my tongue feels a bit funny. So that is with the balm on as well. And actually, do you know what? I have to say, I do feel like my lips have gone boop. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I'm looking at the mirror down here. My lips look so much fuller. They look, I think they look fantastic actually. I'm really, really happy with this. Just having a look. Yeah, I actually feel like, obviously without the bruising, I actually feel like I've just had a I don't know, a 0.5 mil top up. Like, I actually genuinely believe that this product has worked. I really, really like it. So I will post some before and afters now. And you can see what a difference this product has actually made. Yeah, I love it, and I'm going to be using it, especially the Plumping Balm and the scrub. Actually, the scrub was fantastic. That set it off right from the very start. Such smooth lips from that scrub. So yeah, I'm actually going to be using this 3 times a day just to see how my lips look. But I love them. Like, even for a quick fix, like being a new mum, etc., still trying to get used to like getting your makeup done and that. Even if you just pop some eyelashes on, brush your eyebrows through, and pop this on your lips, I feel like it's going to change your look completely for like a nice sort of lazy day makeup free look. Like, I honestly feel like my lips, they look fantastic. I'm over the moon. I'm so happy with this product. So all details are linked down below to the lip plumbing kit and also the coloured balm that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. As this has worked, I'm definitely going to go over and purchase one of those balms now, because it is just gorgeous. I actually love it, and I hope that you guys do try it. Thank you so much for watching this video. It is so good to be back again. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.